No, with you. With you.
Hold it up in front of you.
Yes.
Oh, with me.
Yeah.
Okay, people like this very nice looking bird, I think.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
But they're kind of sluggish. I
It's
particularly
not your favorite.
don't really go for it, but it's one of the birds that people like it more because it's a pretty bird to see.
Do you have a favorite bird?
What?
A favorite, one you like best?
Oui, especial.
Hard question.
Yeah, the one you missed.
Okay.
I tell you the story about it.
Yes.
Yes, that's my favorite, but not too many people have that as a favorite.
Yes.
When I get to, well, after I
Yeah,
keep
okay.
talking, I'll tell you the story.
Okay.
When, well, this, you saw it, it's very wonderful.
We saw this in the cave.
Everybody saw it, not wrong.
It came right to us.
Quite a few were seen, or only 2 or 3?
Those?
Two. Well, at La Huila, At La Huila.
Yeah, at the park where the cave is.
La Huila. But you saw it in the park,
Oh, it was right, we walked into the cave, the one that Che goes.
so you got to La Huila then?
Si.
That's good.
Yeah,
You went to-
beautiful.
Well, that's, no,
It was right
because now the road was broken for several routes. So they had to go around, and they didn't visit properly where the population of this are. But now, in this area where you went, some bird have been
We
seen.
also saw a colony of the butterfly bats inside the cave.
Yeah.
Butterfly bats.
Yeah, the tiny ones.
And the cave swallow, I mean the swallow, cave swallow.
We saw the cave swallows flying.
And you saw the bats too, the little one,
Yeah, the tiny ones.
the tiny one like this.
Yeah, the butterfly.
That's a nice bird, that's a nice bat to see.
Very close where the solitary was.
Well, as you see
Is
it,
that the green?
the green, right? Where, have you seen green where?
Oh,
You
this
go to Garrido?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
You saw the Garrido also?
Yes.
Good.
And
Did you go to, what is the other key? Guillermo.
Guillermo,
Yeah,
Playa Guillermo.
Paredón, you went to Paredón,
We went to
did you see
Paredón.
this bird in Paredón? You don't recall the story?
Not in Paredón.
Because they have races.
Oh.
They have races of woodpecker, you see, of this woodpecker. But the one that is in Paredón is the remaining population of the race that was originally was described by me in Cayo Coco. Now, after they made those paper things like that, the population is disappearing because the large human one entered there and now will eliminate the local race. But still in Cayo Paredón, were still some of this, but now they also have a place. So in a few years, that population from the geese will be replaced by the Cuban bird, which is larger. As you can notice, you see it's much smaller than the one what you see in the field. The other one is more green here and more yellow underneath here. See? Because this is a race.
Yeah.
Well, you see at least, well, if you saw the one of the Cayo Coco, no, the Cayo Coco, no, it's lots in the Cayo Coco.
That's the